Hello everyone, good day all. Welcome back again to my channel. This is Bett&win. I want to show you these tricks on how to play home win or go or home win or no go, or away win go or no go. This option, how you can play this option here is, first of all, you have to, when you come to a league like this, first of all, open their table, check on their last match. If they have maybe 1-0 or 2-0 or 3-0 on their last match, which is away on this recent match, and away is the one that won the last match, then what you do here, and the away on their last match, which is home now, did not score anything on their last match, what to do now is to play it draw or go. That is the best option. You can play this draw or go. Let me still show you the same thing on other match. So this is how it goes. Once you open their table this way, you go straight to their statistics, not the table. You open their statistics just like this, then check their last match. Say the last match, away won the last match, while home score 1, so they didn't win, so away won them. And this time home on their last match is also playing home again on this recent match, now. So what you do now is you play it draw or go. It is possible they are going to play go, so you play it draw or go. That is the best way to play this particular option. Remember, you must go to their statistics. Let me go to another league to show you, another clubs to show you exactly what I mean again. Once you open their statistics like this, go straight to their last match. Once you check their last match, you see something like this. You see 1-1, which is a draw on their last match, and away is also away on the new match now. So what you do here is you play it draw or go, which is this. So we must check through the statistics to know how they play their last match. So that is how if they play draw, which is 1-1 or 2-2, you play it draw or go. If at home is away before and they didn't score any goal, then they are home now, which are away before, which home before on their last match won their last match, and away didn't score anything, and now on the new match, home has a higher percentage of their statistics. For example, let me show you. And for example, home have a higher percentage, just like Bournemouth here have 55%. So, for example, Bournemouth on their last match, they are away and they didn't score any goal on their last match. Then on this recent match, their percentage is higher than away and they are home. So it's possible, very, very possible, that home must score, Bournemouth must score this time. Either you play it home over 0.5, that home must score even if 1 goal or more, or you play this option here, draw or no goal. That's the best option. You play draw or no goal. That's the best option. You will play this. So this is how this work. Like, this is Bett&win. In case you need our teaching or games or account management, you can contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Our WhatsApp number is 07036760527. Bett&win.